Not a criminal attorney, not here to give legal advice, but I am here to give you the real on this Diddy trial. So the next witness that took the stand was Ananya Sankar, and I might be butchering her name, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it moving forward. She is a paralegal specialist for the United States Attorney's Office of the Southern District of New York. So she was called to the stand to testify as a summary witness. She is a government employee used by the prosecution to submit summary charts into evidence in an attempt to make things more clear. The summary charts were meant to show the jury text messages and other information that had not already been discussed in testimony. Ananya testified that she reviewed the accuracy of the government charts that summarized the exhibits. She testified that she reviewed hundreds and hundreds of pages of documents that included text messages, call logs, audio files, videos, and images. While on the stand, Ananya read text messages between Diddy's staff members. The jury was also shown text messages of Diddy's staff planning hotel nights for Cassie. Also, while she was on the stand, the jury was shown text messages where Diddy set up a hotel night in 2021 with Jane and Paul. They were also shown text messages of Diddy's staff discussing the high hotel charge damages that were done after these hotel nights. In addition to that, the jury also saw text messages about buying drugs from a dealer by the name of Guido. The jury was also shown text messages where Diddy requested 15 Molly pills from his security team. The jury also saw a message where Cassie texted one of Diddy's staffers saying no one deserves to be dragged by their hair. They also saw a message where Jane told one of Diddy's staff members that she was threatened about her sex tapes. Also, while on the stand, the jury heard two recordings that the government said was recovered from Christina Quorum's, Diddy's former chief of staff's, devices. These two recordings were also disclosed in Jane's direct examination, to which she testified that she did not know she was being recorded, but she heard Diddy taking notes. So again, the jury heard these two recordings during Ananya's testimony, and these two recordings were taken after Cassie dropped her 2023 lawsuit. In these recordings, Jane and Diddy could be heard talking about the lawsuit that Cassie had just filed. After the jury heard these two recordings, they were then shown messages attempting to get Mia, Diddy's former assistant, to speak to Diddy. Remember, if you remember, she testified that after Cassie dropped her lawsuit, Diddy and a member of his team reached out to her to see if she would come forth to show support for him in the wake of Cassie's bombshell lawsuit. My name is Snipes-Booker, and that is the real on this Diddy trial.